like maybe her first time. We've been doing it live on Tech Talk. But anyways, I'm aMAYS with aMAYSingMetalWorks on YouTube. You can go follow me on Instagram, aMAYS, Facebook, aMAYS. And I'm here with the 64 Galaxie for Automotive Direct and Modern Rodding. It's a SEMA build for this year, 2022. And I wanted to do an unboxing on a product that I got today. And this is the XS Power battery. I've heard a lot of good things. I haven't used one yet, so we're gonna learn today. But anyways, it's the XS Power battery. Go on theirs. I just looked them up. We have max amps 3300 and cranking amps 1150 at 32 degrees. Battery's pretty heavy. It weighs 49.97, so you might as well say 50 pounds. But I've heard a lot about them. A lot of people that run a lot of stuff like audio, I've seen run these, and we're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna open it up and check it out. I don't know what it looks like, haven't opened it yet, just picked it up today. So I figured I'd do an unboxing and a little video and my thoughts, and then later on, after I get the car completed and get it in there and run it for a little while, I'll come back and give more feedback on the battery. I'm pretty sure it's going to be great. I've heard a lot of good things about them, so let's open it up here. If she ain't doing right, y'all let me know.
Yeah, blame Aaron.
We ain't live, but I'm gonna upload this. So we're just trying to get more content, and I should have did it with some of the other stuff that I got, and I'll probably go back and do some.
You should have did it.
I should have did it. XS Power, I'll put a link to them when I upload this. I'll also put their phone number on there. From what I've seen, their batteries look pretty good. I like the way they look. Has a 3-year warranty. That's pretty good right there. This is actually my first unboxing, so don't hate me if I ain't doing right. Oh, I'm already in love because it has some stickers in it.
I get the sticker.
She gets the sticker.
Yeah.
So maybe I should have put them on the car, but I'll probably get some more. I like the handle. The caps are off, but let's pull it out. Oh yeah, it's pretty big. Make sure. But this is it. I like the connections. I don't know what's on it, but it looks like it's built well. And 3400. I guess that's the model, the A3400. I think this is actually their biggest battery, the biggest battery that they make, and I think they just started making it. Maybe, might be wrong. I'm gonna have to do some more research on it. But anyways, go check them out. I'll put a link down below so you can go check it out. Also, if you're just now seeing this and on my channel, hit the subscribe, hit the follow button, the notification button, the bell, whatever, so that you get notifications when I do new videos, upload new videos. And also you'll get live, we do live Tech Talk on Tuesdays at 7. So anyways, appreciate it, and I'm going on to something else next.